One, two, three, hey! Look at Mr. Lee. 3, 4, 5, hey! Look at him jive. Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee. Oh, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee. Oh, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee.
Oh man, it's really cold outside. Jeez. It's like a damn blizzard out there. Good afternoon, folks. My name is John Lee, and these are your Sunday Strap Facts on Tuesday. No, I did not predict the weather. It is actually Tuesday, and there is quite a storm out there. Some would say a perfect storm. Your facts this week are sponsored to you by Dentine Ice Chewing Gum. If you ever wanted to have Blizzard Juno in your mouth, try Dentine Ice Chewing Gum. Fact number 1. Your genitals need to breathe. Now, I don't have nostrils on my nuts, but even they would agree, with most doctors that is, that both men and women do need to put more air down there. Okay, just think about it for a second. Alright, fact number 2. There are 96 bags of human waste on the moon. Now, I don't want to get into any specifics here, but if I did, those specifics would be feces, urine, and vomit. You know, those astronauts may have made their way to the moon in one piece, but they definitely left a piece of them on the moon. Fact number 3, I think my voice cracked. Ancient Celtic kings' nipples were once considered sacred, and that at royal events, commoners were required to suckle them. This is a bizarre fact, but it does build great anticipation for the eventual return of my favorite wrestler, 2010 King of the Ring, the Celtic warrior, Sheamus. And I bet after seeing this video, we will all pay attention to Sheamus's nipples. Or not. That's kind of weird. Well, anyway, folks, these have been your Strap Facts. Hope you're safe in the blizzard. Take care. Spike your hair. Don't cover it up with this hat. And we'll see you next time on Facebook.
It's a shameful thing.